Morning.
Good morning.
And how are you this morning?
Fine, thank you.
Years after stepping down from his own practice, Dr. Roth continues to take care of patients, this time as a rural locum in the village of Consort. He's helping out until the community recruits 2 new full-time physicians.
Consort, rural town, you are the doctor, you make the decisions, you do the treatment.
Dr. Roth encourages physicians looking to have the independence of having their own practice in a strong medical community to make Consort their first call.
You are the person in charge of what happens in the hospital, the ward rounds, the emergency room, the clinic, the after hours happenings. You are the person who takes care of that.
What makes it even easier is all of this is under one roof, all in the Consort Hospital and Care Center, which also includes 5 acute care beds and 15 long-term beds.
The emergency room is just across the hallway. The x-rays is just across the hallway. The lab, it is available to you within a few minutes if you really need it.
The clinic here is set up, we're fully equipped, and we have staff waiting for a doctor to come in, and the ones that have been here usually work a 9 to 4 day and get called back to emerge, which is very convenient. It's right down the hallway. The doctor can slip out between patients.
From the proximate facilities and services to the advanced medical equipment available, Consort's medical placement is second to none.
For a physician coming into the community, they need to know that we have the equipment and the knowledge and the technology as well to support them in whatever they wish to do with their general practice in medicine here.
Not only can physicians here work their own hours, they're also able to get some amazing medical support from a well-trained and knowledgeable staff.
The great thing about the clinic is they're very committed and knowledgeable staff. They also know the patients through and through. So if Joe Doe comes in and he has a chest pain today, she will know, look, this guy needs to be high on the priority list.
We have an RN on 24 hours a day, as well as the support of an LPN and healthcare aides. In our lab x-ray department, there's staff on call 24/7 as well.
Physicians in Consort also have the support of the neighboring communities, including Coronation and Castor, making up the 3 Cs. These communities work together to share on-call and any medical issues that may arise.
A very well worked out system in that we share call with the other 2 hospitals, part of the 3 Cs, especially the weekends. But during the week, if you need to go away for some time, they are always willing to cover for you.
If that's not enough, the community of Consort also has taken steps to ensure it makes the physicians and their family one of its own. They provide doctors with their own house and any other support needed to make them feel at home.
We're a huge family, an extended family, and this doctor's house here, it's a very nice home, and we'd welcome them to be part of the community.
We would welcome anyone with open arms, and we'd be very willing to work with them to provide them with the services that they would like to see as well.
The village of Consort is found among a rich and majestic landscape, built on family values and powered by a strong community spirit. It's a place where families have all the resources needed to raise their family. A great school system which includes ECS to grade 12. There are many cultural and recreational facilities to choose from and a strong business sector for all of your basic shopping needs.
It's a wonderful community to live in. The things that we can offer both culturally and community family-based is huge. The need for doctors here is massive. We are a large distance from different communities, from larger communities, so the need for physicians are fairly strong.
The community is very welcoming. The physician is a big part of what the community needs to survive.
I think the person that comes to Consort will have an experience of a lifetime. It will be some time that they will never forget working in a community like this Consort.
you.